So what you gonna do? You gonna kill me? Man, I don't even know you. Stop playing. You know who I am. I told you. I don't know you. Who are you? You don't remember the other night? You was with some chick at the homie's house? I was there. You was cracking jokes on me. Yeah, you was high, drunk, smoking, all that. You thought it was a game. You know what I mean? That was you? Oh, you remember now, huh? You ain't so tough now. Go ahead, crack another joke, gangster. Make me laugh. Look, man, you know, I ain't got no beef with you. I ain't even know what I was doing, man. I was gone, I was high. Man, I don't care nothing about that, man. I let that go the other day because the homies told me to. But today, you can die easily. Is that, you gonna kill me? Dog, I was drunk, I was high. I gotta die for that? Man, kill all that. You could die for less. You know what it is? You know where we from? Look, I get it, man. Okay? I get it. I embarrassed you. I'm sorry. I'm telling you. I didn't violate you. I didn't kill nobody you know. I didn't do nothing like that. Right now, my kids is waiting for me to come home, man. I'm a son, I'm a father, I'm a husband. People depend on me. And you just want to take that away? You just want to rip it all away from me? Rip it away from them? Because I said some words, man?